Hi guys, you're welcome back to Wabili Concept TV. Today we'll be visiting the Apapa train station located in one of the busiest area in Lagos State, which is the Apapa Port area. As part of efforts to reduce traffic congestion on road, APM Terminal Apapa and the Nigerian Railway Corporation have restored rail connectivity for containers to the Lagos Port Complex in Apapa. With the closure of a section of the Apapa Bridge for repair works, the resumption of the rail service will help reduce a backlog of rail service around this area. The path has recently seen a growth in barging operation with growing numbers of containers moved daily by barges from the ports. APM Terminal constructed a part of the rail line and connected it to the national line to provide alternate to road transport for containers. Recommencing the operation will remove truck from the road and improve environmental standards. A train is made up of 19 wagons, and each of the wagons can take 40 feet container, 140 feet, or two 20 feet containers. So if we are doing 20 feet, that is 38 trucks will be off-road per trip of the rail system. As part of efforts to reduce the transport and the gridlock along Apapa, the operation will begin with a 2 trip per day, starting from the port. It will discharge at Alagomeji terminals in Yaba and Ijoko terminal in Ogun State. Trucks can then be deployed to both locations for collection, and empties will be returned back by the NRC. The train station is located along the Dockyard Road, one of the major area in Lagos State, very close to major petrol depots at Apapa. So guys, we have been able to bring to you the development around the Apapa train station in Lagos State. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, Wabili Concept TV, and also give this video a good comment and like. Thank you for watching.